And Kenya is targeting to close deals worth 260 billion shillings during the upcoming Kenya International Investors Conference next month. The conference, which is scheduled for March 2026, seeks to woo investors in the agriculture, information communication technology, transport, renewable energy, infrastructure and manufacturing sectors. Trade and Investments Cabinet Secretary Lee Kinyanjui says the government is reforming various business and investment policies to improve Kenya's investment attractiveness.
The 2026 Kenya International Investors Conference will be held alongside the COMESA Investment Forum and the Africa Green Industrialization Initiative Forum, bringing together global investors, policymakers and development partners. Kenya is targeting to close deals with various investors running into hundreds of billions of shillings. Trade and Investments Cabinet Secretary Lee Kinyanjui says the country is in the process of amending various business and investment laws to boost investments in Kenya.
We are coming up with what we call business amendment laws, which will be trying to unlock certain areas within our tax laws and our compliance and reporting areas, so that we can address some of the concerns that have been raised in the past.
Addressing ambassadors during a meeting to prepare for the summit, Kinyanjui says the Business Laws Amendment Bill 2025 before Parliament proposes further changes to tax and commercial laws by amending multiple laws.
And I would just encourage you all to think in the context of the conference to be quite deliberate in terms of how the government of Kenya is addressing those concerns. I was sharing this with the Cabinet Secretary.
Investors are also looking into incentives to participate in Kenya's nation building through job creation within various sectors.
We must focus to drive investments in areas that are job creating in terms of high job content, to present the biggest opportunity to fix some of the issues that will really bring investors to really begin to unlock transactions.
Kenya is currently the 6th largest African economy with 5% GDP growth, low inflation and high literacy, supporting an attractive investment environment for foreign investors.